NCERT textbook RSM. Good evening, NCERT. Good evening to all. Sahasra, good evening. Good evening, everyone. Page number 45, quadratic equation in NCERT textbook. I think everyone done with NCERT. Is that right, children? Done with NCERT textbook. Is that right? Okay. Now there is a problem. Page number 45, example 8. Page number 45, example 8. A pole has to be erected at a point on the boundary of a circular park of diameter 13 meters in such a way that the differences of its diameters, its distances from two diametrically opposite fixed gates A and B on the boundary is 7 meters. Is it possible to do so? If yes, at what distance from the two gates should be the pole erected? This was the question. Once again, a pole has to be erected at a point on the boundary of a circular park of diameter 13 meters in such a way that the difference of its distances from two diametrically opposite fixed gates A and B on the boundary is 7 meters. Is it possible to do so? If yes, at what distances from the two gates should be the pole should be erected? See, there is a circular park with center O. Okay. And there are two gates A and B, which are the endpoints of the diameter of the circular park. Gate A, gate B. They are the endpoints of the diameter AOB of the circular park. Now, we need to erect a pole at a point on the boundary of the circular park such that the distance of the point from A and the distance of the point from B, the difference is 7 meters. Means, suppose if the distance of the point P from A is x meters, then the distance of the point P from B is 7 more than the previous one, x plus 7. That is what he is saying. And the length of the diameter is 13 meters. Okay, and we need to find out the distances of the pole P from A and B. Means we need to calculate PA and PB. Is that understood, children? There is a circular part and there are two gates, A and B, and these two gates lie on the diameter of the circular part. Okay, na? Means the length of diameter is 13 meters. And there is a point P on the boundary of the circular part where a pole was erected. What he says, the distance of P from A and B, the difference of distances, PA, PB is 7 meters. Means if we consider PA is x, then PB is x plus 7. Or if we consider PB as x, then PA will be x plus 7. Okay, na? And we need to find out the distances PA and PB. So this is the question, which is a little bit higher level. Okay. Now, since AOB is the diameter, can anyone say what is the angle APB and its reason? What is angle APB? Angle APB 90 degrees. Good. Angle in a semicircle, because AOB is the diameter. So angle APB is angle in a semicircle, so it is 90 degrees. Now, according to Pythagoras theorem, AP square plus PB square is equal to AB square. X square plus x plus 7 whole square is 13 square. Simplify this and find the answer, children. X square so 2x square plus 14x plus 49 minus 169. 2x square plus 14x minus 120 is 0. So divide with 2. X square plus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. Now find the distance. Find the distance. X square plus 12x minus 5x minus 60 is equal to 0. If we take x common, x plus 12 minus 5 common, x plus 12 is equal to 0. So x will be 5 or negative 12. We will not consider negative values. We will consider only positive, because x is the distance. X is the distance. You need to write the reason also. So PA will be 5 meters and PB will be 12 meters. Okay, na? So this is the one question that you need to observe. Yeah. See. Now, nature of roots. This concept is very, very important. Nature of roots. We know quadratic formula is minus b plus r minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. We know it is a quadratic formula to find out the zeros of a quadratic equation. In that, b square minus 4ac is known as a discriminant. B square minus 4ac is known as a discriminant. which plays an important role in quadratic equation topic. Okay na? Which is denoted by the letter D. So D, the value of D decides whether the given quadratic equation is having real roots or not. The value D decides about the zeros, whether the given equation is having real zeros or not. This value decides. That's why it is called discriminant. Okay. Now, if discriminant is positive, discriminant is negative, discriminant is exactly equal to 0. These are the three cases. First of all, let us understand that what is discriminant. Discriminant is a value, a number, which decides the nature of zeros of a quadratic equation. Nature means whether they are real or not. Depends upon this value. So discriminant is a value, a number. A number may be positive, a number may be negative, and a number is maybe 0 also. Okay na? Right. If a number is positive, discriminant is positive. That means greater than 0. The roots are real and different. Okay. If the discriminant is negative, complex or imaginary roots. So about this complex or imaginary roots, you will study more in 11th and 12th standards or even intermediate also. So here in class 10, discriminant less than 0, negative value, you will not study much. Okay? Just you need to write the given quadratic equation is having imaginary roots. That's all. About this value, this discriminant value 0, it is having an important role in 10th class. So he can ask many questions on D is equal to 0. So when discriminant is 0, the roots are real and equal. Okay na? Right. Let us understand about this one more. What happens if D is 0? That means if B square minus 4AC is 0. Let us substitute 0 in the place of B square minus 4AC. Minus B plus R minus root over 0 by 2A. That means minus B by 2A. X is equal to minus B by 2A. Okay. That means for any quadratic equation, if discriminant is 0, then x value that you are going to get is minus b by 2a. Adevti, it is a quadratic equation. It must have two zeros, but Sai is saying only one zero. What is this? It means that particular equation is having two equal zeros. Okay, we will see one example. Let us consider x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. X square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here a1, b minus 2, c1. Now what is b square minus 4ac value? Minus 2 square minus 4 into 1 into 1. 4 minus 4, 0. b square minus 4ac is 0. That means the given quadratic equation is having only one zero or two zeros. It is having two zeros, but they are equal. So according to the formula, the 0 is minus b by 2a. The 0 is minus b by 2a. So x value, what is x value? Minus b means minus of minus 2 by 2a, 2 into 1. So 2 by 2, 1. So x value we got 1. That means this equation is having two zeros and they are 1 comma 1. 1 comma 1. You can observe that by splitting the middle term. X square minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. X common, x minus 1, minus 1 common, x minus 1. So x minus 1 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 1, x is equal to 1. Okay. One more interesting fact is that this x square minus 2x plus 1 is nothing but x minus 1 whole square. Is nothing but x minus 1 whole square. So with this what we can conclude? Any quadratic equation which is having equal zeros is a perfect square. Any quadratic equation which is having equal zeros is a perfect square. We can express it as either a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square. Is that understood, children? Is that understood? Yeah. Now we will see some problems from R.S. Agrawal. Yeah. Yes, if the roots of the equation b minus c into x square plus c minus a into x plus a minus b is equal to 0 are equal, then prove that 2b is equal to a plus c. This is the question. Roots of this quadratic equation b minus c into x square plus c minus a into x plus a minus b is equal to 0 are equal roots. Means this equation is a perfect square. It is having equal roots. That means its discriminant is 0. So what we have to prove? 2b is equal to a plus c. So according to the given equation, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Discriminant 0. Now what is b square? C minus a whole square minus 4 into a into c is equal to 0. B square minus 4ac 0. Now simplify this. C square plus a square minus 2ac minus 4 into ab minus b square minus ac plus bc is equal to 0. Okay children. Now further simplification. C square plus a square minus 2ac minus 4ab plus 4b square plus 4ac minus 4bc is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Now you can observe here three perfect squares. C square plus a square plus 4b square. So I can write like this: a square plus 4b square plus c square minus 4ab minus 4bc okay plus 2ac plus 2ac is equal to 0. Minus 2ac plus 4ac plus 2ac is equal to 0. Now what can you say about this one, children? What can you say about this one? Can I say this is a quadratic equation? Is it a quadratic equation? No one is responding. Hello? Hello? Tanmay, what can you say about this equation? Is it a quadratic equation? Darsh is not there. Okay. So this one, this is nothing but a minus 2b plus c whole square. A minus 2b plus c whole square. It is not a plus 2b plus c whole square. It is a minus 2b plus c whole square because ac is positive. Yes, a and c are positives. That means minus 2b is negative. So a minus 2b plus c whole square is 0. Then a minus 2b plus c is equal to 0. Then a plus c is equal to 2b. A plus c is equal to 2b. Understood, children? Yeah. Next one. Yeah, one more question basing on this. if the roots of the quadratic equation c square minus ab into x square, c square minus ab into x square minus 2 into a square minus bc plus b square minus ac is equal to 0 are real and equal. They are real and equal. And show that a is equal to 0, we have to prove a is equal to 0 or a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. C square minus ab minus 2 into a square minus bc plus b square minus ac are real and equal. The roots are real and equal for this equation. And we need to prove either a equal to 0 or a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Yeah. Since this equation is, the roots of this equation are real and equal, then b square minus 4ac is 0. B square minus 4ac is 0. So what is b square? Minus 2 of a square minus bc whole square minus 4 a c is equal to 0. Sir, is there x in the equation? Yeah, here x is there. Yes, x is there. Now, simplify this. 4 into a square minus bc whole square minus 4 into b square c square minus ac cube minus ab cube plus a square bc is equal to 0. Just multiplication, these two multiply. Now a power 4 plus b square c square minus 2a square bc minus 4b square c square plus 4a c cube plus 4a b cube minus 4a square bc is equal to 0. Multiplying with negative 4. X term is there, na? It is there. X term is there. Yeah. A minus b whole square expansion. And here I am multiplying these two. C square into b square. C square into this. Minus ab into this. Minus into minus plus this one. Now, open the bracket here. 4a power 4 plus 4b square c square minus 8a square bc minus 4b square c square plus 4a c cube plus 4a b cube minus 4a square bc is equal to 0. Okay na? Now plus 4b square c square minus 4b square c square get cancelled. And what is remaining? 4a power 4 plus 4ab cube plus 4ac cube minus 12a square bc is equal to 0. 4a power 4 plus 4a b cube plus 4a c cube minus 8a square b c minus 4a square bc 0. Now what I will do is I will take 4a common in all. I will take 4a common. So what is remaining here? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3a bc is equal to 0. If I take 4a common. Now see this, 4a into this is equal to 0. 4a into this is equal to 0. So what is the meaning of it? 4a is equal to 0 or a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to 0. Either 4a equal to 0 or a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is 0. That means 4a 0 means a 0 or a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc, which is the answer. Which is the answer. So for such type of sums, see, వాడు కష్టంగా అడగాలి అనుకుంటే, క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్స్లో డిఫికల్ట్గా అడగాలి అనుకుంటే వచ్చి నేచర్ ఆఫ్ రూట్స్ మీద పడతాడు అండ్ ఇట్లాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మీద పడతాడు. జస్ట్ ఐ వాంట్ టు టెల్ యూ దట్. అండర్స్టూడ్ చిల్డ్రన్? క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్లో మెల్లిపెద్దాం అనుకున్నాడు అనుకోండి, అంతే వెళ్ళి నేచర్ ఆఫ్ రూట్స్ మీద పడతాడు. నేచర్ ఆఫ్ రూట్స్ కూడా ఈజీ కాదు, ఇట్లా అడుగుతాడు. ప్రూవ్ దట్ ఇట్లా. ఇంతకుముందు క్వశ్చన్ చూసాం కదా, ఇప్పుడు క్వశ్చన్ ఇట్లాంటివి ఉన్నాయి, ఆర్ఎస్ అగర్వాల్లో ఉన్నాయి. చూడండి, చూసి మళ్ళీ మీరు ఆర్ఎస్ అగర్వాల్ చేసేసారని అనుకుంటున్నా నేను. చెయ్యకపోతే మటుకు చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. అలా ఎప్పుడైనా ఎగ్జామ్ మనం టఫ్గానే ఉంటుంది పేపర్ అని ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వాలి. బాగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి లైఫ్లో ఏ ఎగ్జామ్ అయినా సరే. అంటే వాడు ఒక సిలబస్ మనకి ఇస్తే మనం బియాండ్ వెళ్ళాలి, కొంచెమైనా వెళ్ళాలి బియాండ్. అంటే 100% సిలబస్ అనుకుంటే మనం కనీసం మనం 102, 105% వరకు వెళ్ళాలి. 4A0 అయితే A0నే కదమ్మా మోక్ష. ఈ 4a is 0, then a is equal to 0. నీకు 2 ఆప్షన్స్ వచ్చినాయి కదా, నీకు ఇవి వచ్చినాయా? 4a ఇంటూ a క్యూబ్ ప్లస్ b క్యూబ్ ప్లస్ c క్యూబ్ మైనస్ 3abc is equal to 0 వచ్చింది కదా. ఆఫ్టర్ దిస్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద స్టెప్? either this is 0 or this is 0. If 4a is 0, then a is also 0. సో మనం ఎప్పుడైనా హార్డ్గా ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వాలి, గట్టిగానే ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వాలి. ఏదో చిన్న సింపుల్వి చూసుకుని వెళ్ళిపోవడం కాదు. బాగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఇట్లాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఆర్ఎస్ అగర్వాల్లో ఉన్నాయి, మర్చిపోకుండా చూసుకోండి. యా, నౌ వర్డ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చూద్దాం. The difference of two natural numbers is 5. The difference of two natural numbers is 5. And the difference of their reciprocals is 1/10. Find the numbers. This is the question. Simple question. Hello? Am I audible, children? Okay. Yeah. The difference of two natural numbers is 5. Hello? Shakar number ఉందా నీ దగ్గర? ఇది ఎట్లా అయిపోయింది? Yeah. Fine. Okay. Good. Let one number be x, the other will be x plus 5. Let one number be x, the other will be x plus 5. Okay? Now, and difference of their reciprocals. What is the reciprocal of x? 1 by x. Reciprocal of x plus 5. Now what is the difference of their reciprocals given? Difference is given 1 by 10. Okay. Now how to write the equation? Can anyone say? How to write the equation? Anyone? Let one number be x, the other is x plus 5. Okay. And the reciprocals are 1 by x and 1 by x plus 5. Their difference is given 1 by 10. Very good. Very good. 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 5 is 1 by 10. 1 by x minus, not plus Lohitaj. It is not plus. Difference na? Yeah. Now take LCM. X plus 5 minus x. 1 by 10. 5 by x square plus 5x. So x square plus 5x is equal to 15. X square plus 5x minus 15 is equal to 0. And after this you can solve. Okay. This is one model, important model. Next one, problem basing on 2-digit numbers. See, 2-digit number problems are also very important. Even see, 2-digit problems అనేవి linear equations లోనూ ఉన్నాయి, quadratic లోనూ ఉన్నాయి, రెండిట్లోనూ ఉన్నాయి. linear equation ఎలా అడుగుతాడు, quadratic equation ఎలా అడుగుతాడు, we'll see. అయితే he will not specify whether you have to do it using linear equations or without using linear equations. That is your wish. I will read out the problem now. A 2-digit number is 5 times the sum of its digits and also equal to 5 more than twice the product of its digits. Find the number. Okay na? A 2-digit number is 5 times the sum of its digits. See. ఇలా ఒక డబ్బాలా వేసుకోండి. 2-digit number అనగానే 1's place, 10's place. 1's place, 10's place. Let the digit in the 10th place is x and 1's place is y. Let the digit in the 10th place is x and 1's place is y. Then the 2-digit will be 10 into x plus 1 into y. which is 10x plus y. That is the 2-digit number. Okay, na? Now we got 2-digit number. We have a 2-digit number in our hands. What is that? 10x plus y. Now see the problem. A 2-digit number means this one is a 2-digit number is 5 times sum of its digits. 5 times sum of its digits. This is equation 1. A 2-digit number is 5 times sum of its digits. Okay. Next, and also equal to 5 more than, and also equal to 5 more than twice the product of its digit. And again the same 2-digit number is 5 more than twice the product of digits. 5 more than twice the product of its digits. Okay, na? Now we need to solve the problem and find out the 2-digit number. Okay, how to do this? Anyone? From this, 10x plus y is equal to 5x plus 5y. So 10x minus 5x is equal to 5y minus y. So 5x is equal to 4y. 5x is equal to 4y. Now from this, then y is equal to 5x by 4. From this, y is equal to 5x by 4. Substitute this y value over here. 10x plus 5x by 4 is equal to 2x into 5x by 4 plus 5. LCM 40x plus 5x is equal to 2 times 5x square by 2 plus 5. Again take LCM here also. So 45x by 4 is equal to 5x square plus 10 by 2. Do cross multiply and simplify. Tell me the x value, children. Yeah, do cross multiply. Simplify and tell me x value. Two comma 5 by 2. Who said this? So 5 by 2 we cannot take, na? 5 by 2 cannot be a digit, na? Five by 2 cannot be a digit. Is that right, Vikramaditya? I think your answer is wrong. Answer is wrong. Yes, 4 comma 1 by 2 right. Tanmay answer is right. 2 2's. So 45x is equal to 10x square plus 20. 10x square minus 45x plus 20 is equal to 0. Divided with 5. 2x square minus 9x plus 4 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. 2x square minus 9x plus 4 is equal to 0 is the quadratic equation. Yeah. So x value you will get 4 comma 1 by 2. You need to consider only 4. x4 comma 1 by 2. Then what is y? If x is 4 comma 1 by 2, then what will be the y? If x is 4, what is y? What is y, children? 5x by 4. So 5 into 4 by 4, 5 by 5. Then 10 into 4 plus 1 into 5. 45 is the 2-digit number. 45 is the 2-digit number. Okay, na? Yeah. Yeah. Now, the question, the one I am going to discuss now is very, very important. Very, very important. Okay, see this. Some students planned a picnic. The total budget for hiring a bus is 1440. The total budget for hiring a bus is 1440. Some students planned for a picnic, and the bus fare is 1440. They hired a bus and its fare is 1440. That means they need to what we call it as how many students they are going for picnic, they need to pay that amounts equally, and means we need to divide 1440 equally to the number of students. Means they need to bear equally. All the students need to bear equally. Is that right? Now, later on, 8 of those refused to go and instead paid their total share of money towards the fee of one economically weaker student of the class. And thus, the cost of each member who went for the picnic increased by 30. How many students are attended to the picnic and how much money in total was paid towards the fees? What value is reflected in this question? Last question is oriented. What happened here? X students are planned to go to a picnic and they hired a bus for 1440. In that, 8 students are dropped in the middle. 8 students are dropped in the middle. And దాంట్లో ఒకడు Eight of these refused to go and instead paid their total share of money towards a fee of one economically weaker student of their class. Means whatever the share for 8 students share, they gave it as a they donated that one as to a student who is economically backward. Okay, they didn't take it back. The 8 students, they didn't take it back. వాళ్ళు వెనక్కి తీసుకోలేదు. వెనక్కి తీసుకోకుండా ఏం చేశారు? They paid it. They paid the total amount. to a weaker student. Okay, na? To go to picnic. Okay, right. Total X students they went, means they planned, X are dropped. Okay, now for initially first case for X students total cost is 1440, then each has to bear 1440 by X. Okay na? Next, second case, 8 were dropped na, that means remaining is X minus 8. Remaining is X minus 8. Then what is the share of each student? Then in the second case, 1440 by X minus 8. 1440 by X minus 8. So this difference is given as 30. This difference is given as 30. Understood, children? Very, very important model. So here, how to get the equation? How to write the equation here? How to write the equation? Anyone? How to write the equation here? Otherwise, you tell me which is greater fraction here? Which is greater fraction? So everyone wrong. Everyone wrong. अरे 1440 rupees X members pay చేయాలి, అప్పుడు ఎక్కువ పే చేయాలా? అదే 1440 X minus 8 అప్పుడు పే చేయాలా? భవ్యపరంది కరెక్ట్. సరేరా, ఒక చాక్లెట్ ఐదుగురిని పంచుకోమన్నాను. ఒక చాక్లెట్ ఆ ఇద్దరు నేను తినను, చాక్లెట్ తినమనేసారు. ఇప్పుడు ఒక చాక్లెట్ ముగ్గురు పంచుకోవాలి. ఇప్పుడు ఏ కేసులో ఎక్కువ వస్తుంది ఒక్కొక్కళ్ళకి? ఒక చాక్లెట్ ఉందిరా, ఐదుగురు స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉన్నారు. దెన్ ఈచ్ విల్ గెట్ ఎక్స్ బై 1/5 ఫస్ట్ కేసులో. సెకండ్ కేసులో ఏమైంది? మోక్ష తిన్ననేసింది, భవ్య ప్రణతి నేను కూడా తిన్ననేసి. ఇప్పుడు ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు? ముగ్గురు ఉన్నారు. ఇప్పుడు ఒక్కొక్కరికి ఒక చాక్లెట్ ముగ్గురికి పంచుకోవాలి, 1/3. ఇప్పుడు ఏది పెద్ద? 1/3 పెద్దదా, 1/5 పెద్దదా? Second case, good. 1440 by x minus 8 minus 1440 by x is equal to 30. The difference is 30. And simplifying this equation, you know it very well. I am not discussing about that. Okay? And ఏజ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కూడా ఒకటి ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వండి. ఏజ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వదలమాకండి. ఏజ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అవి ఈజీనే ఉంటాయి. ఆల్వేస్ కన్సిడర్ ప్రెజెంట్ ఏజ్ as x, then you can move forward or even you can move backward also. See, my present age is x, my present age is x, then what is my age after 5 years? My present age is x years, then what is my age after x years, after 5 years? X plus 5. And what is my age 10 years before. X minus 10. Yes, good. So age problems what prepare aval. Alage speed, distance, time. Very, very important. Mukhyanga train problems, aeroplane problems. Train and aeroplane. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, ట్రైన్ అండ్ ఏరోప్లేన్ వాటి మీద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్లో అడగచ్చు, డిఫికల్టీ లెవెల్స్. ఓకేనా? ఏరోప్లేన్ ప్రాబ్లం, ట్రైన్ ప్రాబ్లం. సో అవి కూడా ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వండి. See, an aeroplane left An aeroplane left 30 minutes later its scheduled time in order to reach the destination 1500 kilometers away in time. It had to increase its speed by 250 kilometers per hour from its usual speed. Determine the usual speed. This is the question. Okay. Actually, what is the distance to be traveled? 1500 km travel cheyali. An aeroplane has to travel a distance of 1500 kilometers. Okay, with the speed of x kilometers per hour. With a speed of x kilometers per hour. Now, can anyone say the time then? Time taken? What is the time taken? (1500 by x hours). Good. 1500 by x hours. Good. అసలు యాక్చువల్గా ఏం జరిగిందిగా, ఏదో ఒక ప్లేన్ ఈవినింగ్ 6 PM స్టార్ట్ అవ్వాలి. ఈవినింగ్ 6 PM స్టార్ట్ అవ్వాలి. స్టార్ట్ అయితే అది 8 PM అక్కడ చేరుకుంది. 6 PM స్టార్ట్ అయితే 8 PM డెస్టినేషన్ చేరుకుంటుంది. ఓకేనా? హలో, కెన్ యూ హియర్ మీ? 8 PM స్టార్ట్ అయితే 6 PM స్టార్ట్ అయితే 8 PM డెస్టినేషన్ చేరుకుంటుంది. కానీ ఏమైంది, అది 6:30 స్టార్ట్ అయ్యింది. కానీ 8 PM వెళ్ళిపోవాలి. 6:30 స్టార్ట్ అయింది అంటే అరగంట లేట్గా స్టార్ట్ అయింది. వెళ్ళటం మటుకు కరెక్ట్ టైంకి వెళ్ళిపోవాలి, 8 PM వెళ్ళిపోవాలి. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలరా, ఏం చేయాలి? పైలట్ ఏం చేయాలి ఇప్పుడు? వాట్ హి హాస్ టు డూ? సింపులే కదా, స్పీడ్ నీడ్ టు బి ఇంక్రీజ్డ్. ఎస్, అంతేనా? యాక్చువల్గా ప్లేన్ ఏమో ఈవినింగ్ 6 PM బయలుదేరాలి. బయలుదేరితే 8 PM వెళ్తుంది డెస్టినేషన్కి. కానీ కొన్ని టెక్నికల్ ఇష్యూస్ వల్ల 6:30 స్టార్ట్ అయింది. కానీ వెళ్ళాల్సింది మటుకు 8 PM వెళ్ళాలి. నో ఛాన్స్, నో అదర్ ఛాన్స్ ఫర్ ఇట్. కాబట్టి ఖచ్చితంగా స్పీడ్ పెంచాలి. స్పీడ్ పెంచాలి అంటే డిస్టెన్స్ సేమే, స్పీడ్ మటుకు పెంచాలి. స్పీడ్ పెంచాలి. అప్పుడు టైం టేకెన్ ఏమిటి? దెన్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద టైం టేకెన్? ఎంత పెంచాడు స్పీడ్? 250 km/h పెంచాడు స్పీడ్. దెన్ వాట్ ఈస్ టైం టేకెన్? వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్. 1500 by x plus 250 hours. ఇప్పుడు ఈక్వేషన్ ఎట్లా రాయాలి ఎవరన్నా చెప్తారా? హౌ టు రైట్ ద ఈక్వేషన్? ఎనీవన్? How to write the equation? Good. This minus this. దీని జర్నీ టైం ఎక్కువ, దీనికంటే హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ ఎక్కువ కదా. జర్నీ టైం స్పీడ్, ఈ స్పీడ్ తగ్గితే జర్నీ టైం, స్పీడ్ తగ్గితే జర్నీ టైం పెరగదు. మరి ఈ స్పీడ్ ఎక్కువ, ఈ స్పీడ్ ఎక్కువ, ఎక్కువ జర్నీ టైం తగ్గిపోగా. అది అంటే 1500/x minus 1500/x plus 250 is equal to half an hour. 30 minutes కదా, హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్. 30 minutes అని వేసుకోమాకండి, హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ అని వేసుకో. అర్థమైందా? సో ట్రైన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్, ఏరోప్లేన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ రెండు దగ్గరగా ఒకే రకంగా ఉంటాయి. ఓకేనా? అలాగే లాస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం స్ట్రీమ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. ఇంత ముందు చెప్పాను, ఇప్పుడు కూడా చెప్తాను. క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్లో అడిగాడు అంటే ఇక్కడ స్ట్రీమ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్లో రెండు రకాలైన స్పీడ్స్ ఉంటాయి. టూ స్పీడ్స్, ఒకటి స్పీడ్ ఆఫ్ బోర్ అండ్ స్పీడ్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రీమ్. రెండు ఉంటాయి. ఈ రెండింటిలో ఏదో ఒకటి ఇచ్చేస్తాడు క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్లో అయితే, ఇంకోటి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమంటాడు. ఈ రెండింటిలో ఏదో ఒకటి ఇచ్చేస్తాడు, ఇంకోటి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమంటాడు. అదే లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్ 2 వేరియబుల్లో అయితే ఈ రెండు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి, ఈ రెండు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? సరే, ఒక క్వశ్చన్ చూద్దాం సార్. A sailor can row a boat 8 kilometers downstream and return back to the starting point in 1 hour 40 minutes. If the speed of the stream is 2 kilometers per hour, 2 kilometers per hour, find the speed of boat in still water. Let it be x kilometers per hour. Okay na? Speed of boat is not given. Let it be x kilometers per hour. Speed of stream is given. That is 2 kilometers per hour. Now, upstream ani, downstream ani, రెండు కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. అప్ స్ట్రీమ్ అనే ఒక కాన్సెప్ట్ ఉంది, డౌన్ స్ట్రీమ్ అనే ఒక కాన్సెప్ట్. అప్ స్ట్రీమ్ అంటే ఏమిటంటే ప్రవాహానికి ఆపోజిట్గా వెళ్ళటం, గోయింగ్ ఆపోజిట్ టు ద స్ట్రీమ్. సపోజ్ వాటర్ ఈస్ ఫ్లోయింగ్ ఇన్ దిస్ డైరెక్షన్ and a man is coming, a boat is coming in this direction. It is called upstream, opposite to the flow of stream. Upstream anta. Okay na? ఈ అప్స్ట్రీమ్ లో ఏమవుతుందంటే స్పీడ్ ఆఫ్ బోట్ తగ్గుతుంది. ఎంత తగ్గుతుంది? 2 kilometers per hour తగ్గుతుంది. Because speed of stream is 2 kilometers per hour. So, speed of boat in upstream x minus 2 kilometers per hour. Okay na? మరి డౌన్ స్ట్రీమ్ అంటే ఏమిటంటే గోయింగ్ అలాంగ్ విత్ ద స్ట్రీమ్, గోయింగ్ అలాంగ్ విత్ ద స్ట్రీమ్. అప్పుడు ఏమిటవుతుంది అంటే స్ట్రీమ్ ఎటు ఫ్లో అవుతుంటే దాంతో పాటు మనం వెళ్ళిపోవటం, అది డౌన్ స్ట్రీమ్ అంటారు. అప్పుడు స్పీడ్ ఆఫ్ both in downstream x plus 2 kilometers per hour. X plus 2 kilometers per hour. This is what we have to find out. Speed in upstream, speed in downstream. Right. Distance కూడా ఇచ్చేసాడు వాడు. Distance ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు? 8 kilometers ఇచ్చాడు. 8 kilometers. అంటే ఒక పాయింట్ ఉంది A, B. వాటర్ ఇట్లా ఫ్లో అవుతుంది. ఈ రెండింటి మధ్య డిస్టెన్స్ 8 kilometers. ఇక్కడి నుంచి ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళటాన్ని డౌన్ స్ట్రీమ్ అంటారు. ఇక్కడి నుంచి ఇక్కడికి రావడాన్ని అప్ స్ట్రీమ్ అంటారు. If the water is flowing from A to B, so traveling from A to B is downstream, traveling from B to A is upstream. Okay na? So one fellow, he started from A and went to B and again started from B and came back to A. A దగ్గర నుంచి B కి వెళ్ళాడు, B దగ్గర నుంచి మళ్ళీ A కి వచ్చాడు. Total time taken is 1 hour 40 minutes. అంటే అప్ స్ట్రీమ్ లో పట్టిన టైము, డౌన్ స్ట్రీమ్ లో పట్టిన టైము టుగెదర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ 1 hour 40 minutes. అండర్స్టూడ్ చిల్డ్రన్? అంటే ఏ నుంచి బీకి వెళ్ళడానికి లేదా బి నుంచి ఏకి రావడానికి, లేదా కాదు, ఫ్రమ్ it together the time is 1 hour 40 minutes. Can anyone say the equation? Anyone can say the equation? Time taken in downstream. Time taken in downstream. What is the time formula? Time formula. Distance by speed. Downstream. Time taken in upstream. Distance by speed. Speed. Upstream లో speed ఇది, downstream లో speed ఇది. Distance నార్మలే కదా. So together 8 by x plus 2 plus 8 by x minus 2 is equal to 1 hour 40 minutes. అంటే 1 plus 4 by 40 by 60. 1 plus 2 by 3 అంటే 5 by 3. 5 by 3. Understand? So these are the problems. These are the some problems, some models which are very very important from the quadratic equations. Okay na? So you prepare avanti baga. Tomorrow we will go ahead with pair of linear equation in 2 variable. Okay children? Mahaganadhipataya. Thank you very much. Dhanyawad. Okay, bye. Thank you.